Hello and welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to see how to make this wind chime with yarn. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time. First, I'll mark the center of the 12-inch dowel. I'll make 8-sided mandalas, so I have taken 4 dowels, 12-inch. I will use my mandala tool. If you want to know how I make this mandala tool, you can click on the link coming on the screen, or I will mention it in the description box. You can go and check it later. So I adjust the centers, all the centers of the dowels. Now I will tie a white yarn and go around all the opposite dowels to tie all the dowels together. After fixing all the 8 sides together, I'll go around all the dowels and make octagon with the white yarn. I'll make 2 knots. Now I'll take it out from the tool because it's already fixed. Now with a rainbow colored yarn, I will make a star design. So for that I'll leave 2 dowels and go around the third one. I again leave 2 dowels, go on the third one. This is one round completed. You can see the star is formed behind. This way I'll continue till the very end. When little dowel is left, I'll just cover the portion of the dowel left with the yarn and continue with the star. Now for the small yarn mandalas, God's eye, I have taken popsicle sticks of 4.5 inch and I'll mark the centers here too. Now I will glue them together in the center. And first fix the centers, tie the 2 popsicles together and then make a square by going around each each popsicle sticks. That will form a square. I have used various bright colored yarns to make each mandalas here, or God's eye. I'll keep on repeating with different colors till the very end. I have made 8 of them to hang from all the 8 sides of the big mandala that I made. Now I have taken 3 yarns, rainbow colored yarn. I'll tie a knot and simply braid it to make a rope. Now I have taken jingle bells and I'll put 3 in a yarn and tie them together. Now I will fix them in the small mandalas, small God's eye hanging from below. And I'll glue the thread, yarn, from behind. Now the braided rope that I made, I'll fix them on the back side of each of the 8 small God's eye, and I've arranged it in ascending order, and then I'll fix it on the base mandala. So that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And do let me know your feedback in the comment box. Thank you so much.